Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. I was gonna show you all my past life and go to every house that I was at and lived at in the past, but that's what happens. All that hail, rain, everywhere. It was hailing earlier. You guys don't even know. It was pretty crazy, guys. Do you have a torch?
Yeah.
God, on that note, I'm gonna take a fucking dab because I woke up scared as fuck. I'll ask Dory, where's Kenny? Where's Kenny? She's like, he's at work. How the fuck is he at work? He better be coming home now. Look at the hail on the floor, guys. Those hail. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Yeah? God, well.
You know I am.
Yeah.
You know I can. Every time I fucking have this cleaning up the store and I have merchandise, I think I'm gonna come home, come back to the doctor. She said I didn't call my clock while she was there. That lady that took me into my car, she doesn't like me. I said, I'll let the message in her and ask me to. She said, well, you have to keep that for more reason. She can keep that in more reason.
Jeez. Here's your phone.
Hey, Kenny. Hello.
It is
Hi.
so scary, guys.
What are you doing?
Is he okay?
You're stuck where?
Jesse wants to know if you're okay.
Well, just stay there until he's close. Just calm down, okay? Bobby, shower down.
What?
Okay.
I'm so scared. God, dude.
Okay.
I'm surprised it hasn't leaked in here. Alright, well,
What?
all you gotta do is just hit it. I'll poke it on the thing for you. Yeah.
I'm telling you anything more about it. This is my head.
Just hit it. Should be a good amount. Is that okay? God, I can't believe you're out here.
I need that video.
Oh, that's okay. God, it feels great out here though. Like, it's not hot as fuck inside. It is hot inside, guys. Like, I am.
Stuck at Bobby to the crowd. What's happening now?
I hope there's no tornado coming.
No.
That would scare the fuck out of me.
What?
Is that what he said? He's like, what? You're gonna do a dab? Yeah, that came down quick. Like,
Well, it's been bubbling like gas.
yeah?
Here it goes.
Oh my
God.
God. That is crazy, guys.
This fucking thing is fucking painful. Look at it. I look like some kind of monster.
Wow.
It's right in the...
Yeah.
It's going right in my eye right here.
That sucks. What did they want to give you anything for it or no?
Well, I have to call the doctor.
Oh.
And they haven't taken me to the hospital yet.
Oh, fuck.
I mean, I can call in and I can get a refill. I got 2 weeks of antibiotics, but that's not guaranteed it's going to take it away.
Yeah.
It might be resistant to that antibiotic, you know?
Yeah.
I'll go to the emergency room, they'll have to go see the infectious disease doctor again. I'm going to all the doctors again, hopefully my car will be running so I can drive there. I ain't taking a 3-hour bus ride to go see fucking doctor
Right.
for a couple of minutes. And they'll probably have to use the car to cut it open and pack it. And be over here. So right to that spot. Look, it's starting to curve right to that corner. See it?
Yeah, it is.
It's starting to go right there.
Wow.
They had to fucking slash that fucking open and pack it.
That sucks. You know, I'd
This
like.
reminds me of you, see?
I'd like to
We have
go.
the garlic, okay? You have the bad vampire dudes called Breaking On. Okay, and then you have evil looking sexy woman, okay?
Wow.
Then you have this cross with pearls and shit on it, and then you have this magic mirror,
And
a
then
watch,
watch.
okay? And you have the good looking, this is like
Like good
you
and
could
bad.
like how can you say like Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde, the good and the bad, or you could say the bad and the ugly, or you could also use the sexy.
Right.
I'm gonna say Zorro
Yeah.
and who would be the my dad used to call my white boyfriend. He and I had a boyfriend with dark hair. We used to call him Zorro. He used to come and save the day from the white man.
Oh wow.
Okay, so this one, and these are wild. These are roses. They're wild. So now I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna spin. This thing reminds me of you. It just does because of the vampire shit and stuff.
1,500.
That's the evil vampire. To me, that's what he would be, you know.
Got a rose and everything.
Well, so he's good, and he would be the better one, the handsome one with a romance novel too.
Right. I don't work today. No, I don't.
Tomorrow?
Nope. I don't work tomorrow. Or
Huh?
I don't work today, tomorrow, or Thursday. Yeah, it's my little 3 days off. I don't know. I used to freaking work 5 days or 7 days a week, like all week, and just not stop. And I'm like, fuck. I remember that too.
I know I should look
I
up the
was
hill.
very
By
tired.
the time I get home from work, I get up at 11, come back down the hill, and get home at 1. It's fucking 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, and I gotta be back to work at 2 o'clock, okay?
Right.
But up there, okay, so that means I gotta be to the bus by 11, okay?
Exactly.
So you gotta catch the bus and you go to your job. That fucks me up, that fucks my ears and shit up.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm tired.
Right. It's okay. It's good.
She said, call the Denver. She said, I'm going to call the Denver police. It's not my fault. CTO, Career Treatment Option, hasn't talked to her. I took those tests and stuff 3 months ago. I took them at Christmas time.
Right.
And the other one burned out. Remember I told you?
Yeah.
So I had to go take him over here at the one on Colfax and retake him. And she said, as soon as my UA came back, she called my appeal.
Yeah.
Well, I've seen my appeal 3 times and she still got with my appeal text her and stuff and said, what's going on, you know? And she's like, and CTO hasn't replied back to me. I said, that's not my fault. CTO hasn't called you back. I went and did what I had to do. She said she would get a hold of you. If she hasn't got a hold of you, that's not my fault. All right, here's our free spin. Look at that.
Oh wow, you get the girl and you get a free spin.
Yeah. See? Ooh. Well, this should be worth money now. I like how they throw the garlic and there was a jewel in there.
Yeah, it's cool. The storm died down a little bit.
It's gonna rumble back up. It's not having going nowhere. It's just got to get bad gas and super bad beans.
I just hope it doesn't stay tomorrow.
Huh?
I don't want it to be stormy all week. It might not. It should be hot tomorrow.
But it could be stormy here and not somewhere else. You know? That he is a handsome, sexy thing, you know?
He is a handsome guy.
And the other guy, if you like older guys, is a handsome, born older, evil looking man.
Yeah. Did you want another dab, Dorothy?
No, I'm good. Some of my medicine's just been cotton out bad enough.
Congratulations, goddamn. You went 6,640 in the last. Jeez. Crazy, man. How was it? He's back. I was so worried about him.
We're on live. You're on live.
I was worried.
Jesus.
I was worried about you, Kenny.
Well, you know, when it rains like that, I usually am on the roof.
When it rains like that,
Right?
it
That's
usually
why.
pours.
You're usually on the roof.
Today, I'm not roofing.
You
Today, I
were-
was setting tile today.
Oh,
so
good then, because I was literally worried. I'm like, where the fuck is Kenny? It is hailing hard.
inside the house this time instead of outside.
God, dude.
Mhm. And you know, I'm
It came
fixing.
down.
I'm fixing somebody else's shit. So
There
that,
we go. There we go again.
No.
This slot machine reminds me of Jesse, that Breaking Dawn.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Ready?
And it's like, it could resemble the movie from the Twilight, because there's a Twilight movie and it has Breaking Dawn in it.
Yep.
Right? You remember? Yeah.
Yep.
And they have a good vampire and
Werewolves.
There,
Huh?
yeah, but there's no werewolves, see? That's why I'm like,
but werewolves and witches, vampires are fucking human. They
that's...
turn themselves into werewolves.
Uh-huh.
That's why you need a silver bullet to kill them.
Yeah.
It's the only thing that's going to kill a vampire or a werewolf.
Silver bullets will not kill a vampire.
Steak knife. Steak bullet. Oh,
No, you have to
wooden
have a cross, huh?
A wooden cross, a
A
wooden
wooden
stake into the
cross.
heart, sunshine, or
Yeah,
to
but
be-
it won't kill him. It'll
to
just
be
fucking
bitten.
put him in a trip.
to be bitten by somebody that you bit.
Oh, God.
So if you bit somebody and they turn to a vampire and they bite you, you're dead.
Oh,
You-
well,
you-
that's
you go.
cool. I mean, but you know they're going to be.
I didn't have a lighter, so I'm right around the street, right? Well, that's Michael's.
It scared you scared
And
me,
I found
though.
a green lighter, right? With
I'm like, where's
with a
Kenny?
little pattern on it, and then I found my red, white, and blue lighter in my bag, and then I had my gray lighter, and then I didn't have any lighters, and then so I bought a white one.
No.
So I got,
You never found my black one?
no.
Got
Why did I
lighters.
Find your black one.
Got
Oh,
lighters
I
all
got
day,
one
every
now.
day.
I wasn't here to look for it. Crazy chick.
God. Oh,
Come here and kiss me.
it slowed down. It did slow down, guys. It was hailing everywhere.
I'm trying to find out where I remember where I put my pipe this morning.
It's on the floor, ain't it? Or in the... Isn't it right there? Right next to the computer. And
My,
those...
that
Come here,
one?
babe. I'm putting all this stuff in the box.
Oh,
Okay?
Right?
I need to put it away
Your
for
pipe...
now.
Your pipes are okay. Oh, God. It was really crazy, guys. Like, fuck. You have no clue. No clue. There's so much hail, so much fucking water. Dude. This shit was crazy. I don't know why I brought his torch in here. Where are you at? Like, did they drop you off somewhere? Or? I need to get one of those, like, video record. What the fuck? One of those. It's like a. I don't know, it's like a headset for your phone. It's weird. God. What game is this?
That
Battlefield?
or whatever.
That's cool. Dirt.
That's here working. That's me. I don't know what the fuck that is.
Smells like some hash that he made. Fucking Dorothy took a dab. Yeah. She's like, give me a dab. I'm like, what? You want a dab? I'm like, whatever. I gave her a dab. Penelope. She's so passed out. God, the graphics of this game do look nice. I like them. Shit, for an Xbox 360 game.